Hey guys, Kathy here, Fat Girl Frolics, Cheeky Cherub, doing an unboxing of Carrie Harwood. I will tag her Facebook and her website. She does 3D printing and the prices are phenomenal, and I do mean that. So I'm going to do an unboxing. Just got it. I did pop it open, but I ordered 3 items from her, and I'm super excited. One of them was a special request. Actually, 2 of them were special requests, custom makes. So, packaged very nicely, bubble wrap, paper. Wow! So this is the one thing that I ordered that was off of her website. I wanted an axolotl. So, as you can see, it's shimmery. It's beautiful pink. I mean, you can't, the lighting doesn't do it justice on the sparkles, but it's a pretty good size. Hold on here, I don't want it to fall out of my hand. So, yeah, it's a pretty good size. And there you can see some of the shimmer. And it's a little wiggly. So I got that. I custom ordered a whistle. I've always wanted a 3D printed whistle. So she made a teal one for me. My lips are dry. It works, yay! And I don't know how many of you know, but I am a huge Sasquatch fan. And she custom made this for me. And he like moves all around, and he's brown and shimmery. I love him. So all of this plus the shipping was less than $20. So you really need to check her out because her items are very nice quality and she's super easy to work with. All right, have a great day.